Welcome to page 8 of the circle packet. This is the final page in this packet, and you will be finding area of each of these circles. However, in this particular case, you're going to find the area, but leave your answers in pi form. So, a calculator really won't be necessary. However, if you would like to use one, you may. You are simply going to leave the pi symbol embedded in your answer. You don't have to complete any calculations with the pi key. So an example of what an answer might look like would be 64 pi inches squared. That's an example of an area in which the pi symbol is embedded or in the answer. This is going to be a quick and simple page. Let's start like we've started other pages. Under each circle, it's important to figure out the radius and the diameter of each circle and determine what we've been given. Take a moment and pause your video. Put little r, little d under each of the circles, and we'll come back together and complete problems 2, 4, and 6. The rest of the problems will be completed by you on your own. Take a moment, pause the video, and write little r, little d under each of the given circles. Let's take a look at problem number 2 together. We can see that the line segment that we've been given starts at the center and radiates out to the side. This, of course, is a radius of 6 inches. If we double it and multiply by 2, that means the diameter for this particular circle would be 12. But what we need for the area formula is the radius. Step 1, jot down the area formula. Area equals pi times r times r. Step 2. Let's substitute the value for the radius. We have pi times 6 times 6. All you need to do to finish up this problem and represent your answer in pi form is simply multiply 6 times 6, which is 36, and rewrite your equation as 36 pi inches squared. And that's it. You're done using this 3-step process with calculating the area in pi form. Remember, area is the measurement of the flat surface inside the circle in square units. In this particular case, we've left our area in pi form as requested. That's it. You're done with problem number 2. Let's move on to problem number 4. Now, in this case, you can see that we've been given a diameter. This particular line segment stretches from side to side, cutting through the middle. It is clearly a diameter of 18 meters. So if we cut that diameter in half or divide by 2, our radius is 9. So here we go. Let's run our formula using the radius of 9 meters. Step 1, area equals pi times r radius times r radius. Let's substitute. Area equals pi times 9 times 9. Simply multiply 9 times 9, and we can rewrite this as 81 pi meters squared. And that's it. We're done with the area, leaving our answer in pi form. Let's do one more together, then you can complete the rest on your own. Number 6. In this case, the line segment we're given is a radius. This radius is 12 centimeters long. If we double it, or multiply by 2, we get a diameter of 24 centimeters. But we're going to use this radius in the formula one more time. Area equals pi times r times r. Make sure you write your formula step first. Step 2 will be the substitution step. Area equals pi times 12 times 12. And finally, step 3. And maybe you might need a calculator for this, but 12 times 12 is 144 pi centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Now complete the rest on your own. This concludes page 8, the final page of the circle packet.